If you're a manual tester and you're worried that AI is going to take your job in 2026, I have some good news and some bad news. The bad news, the old way of testing, just following a list of steps and clicking buttons, is over. The good news, your job is actually getting a massive upgrade. Today, I'm going to show you how AI is actually making manual testers more powerful and how you can use these new tools to become a leader in your company. Let's get into it. In 2026, we don't just test anymore, we oversee. Think about it. Developers are now using AI to write code faster than ever. If you try to test all that code by hand, you'll never finish. That's why the role of a manual tester is changing from someone who does the work to someone who directs the work. You're moving from being a worker to being a manager of AI tools. First, let's talk about AI testing partners. These aren't complicated automation scripts that take weeks to write. These are smart tools where you just type in what you want to check. You tell the AI what to do in plain English, and it goes and does it. It clicks the buttons, fills out the forms, and tells you if it worked. Your job is to be the brain. You decide what needs to be checked and make sure the AI didn't miss anything important. You're the one who says, yes, this is high quality. Here's the second big change. Since AI is writing most of the code now, it makes weird mistakes. It might build a feature that looks perfect but fails when a real human uses it in a strange way. Automation can't always find these logic mistakes, but you can. As a manual tester, your human intuition is your greatest strength. You're looking for the things the AI developer didn't think of. You're testing for the human experience, not just checking if a button clicks. This makes your role more important than ever. Third, AI is now helping you explore the app better. Imagine you're testing a new feature. In 2026, you have a tool running in the background that shows you exactly which parts of the code you've covered and which parts you've missed. It tells you, hey, you've spent a lot of time on the login page, but nobody has checked the settings menu yet. This helps you stop wasting time on things that already work and focus your energy on the scary parts of the app where bugs usually hide. So how do you stay ahead? Stop worrying about the how and focus on the why. Don't just click. Ask yourself why this feature matters to the user. Start using AI tools today. Don't wait for your boss to tell you to. Be the person who shows the team how to use AI to work faster. Focus on strategy. The person who plans the testing is always paid more than the person who just executes it. The future of manual testing isn't about clicking buttons, it's about being a quality expert. If you embrace these AI tools, you won't just keep your job, you'll get promoted. If you want to learn how to use AI for job search, I've put a simple guide in the description to help you search for jobs more strategically. If this video helped you feel more confident about your career, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm here to help you move from a basic tester to a QA leader. See you in the next video.